All right, when we first step in, this is the distance with the slides in. So as you can see, there's plenty of walk space to get back to the bathroom. Got the MyRV One control panel to operate everything. So I'm going to operate the slides now. Go to the bed slide. Go to the main slide next. All right, let's turn on our lights. We also have lights underneath each area here that are manually to turn on. One there. Got one up here in the forward sleeping cabin. There's a light up there, a light up here. Got a window, slides open. This is a double bed, so it'll sleep 2 adults just fine. We've done it many times. This is the cockpit. As you can see, both seats turn around. I've just got one turned around right now, but both seats do turn around. There is the dash, wood grain dash. This is an overview of the whole coach. These screens retract up. I will say that this screen right here is not functioning. It will not retract. That will need to be replaced. And this TV does not work. It will need to be replaced. Both items should be under $200 each. Here's the storage areas. Got 4 drawers down here. Another area here. Also behind the TV. Storage. This is also where the Wi-Fi unit is to connect to the system with the app. This is a queen bed. It's got a Serta mattress on it. Very comfortable. Got another one control keypad here inside the master. Control everything here just like we were able to do over there. This is the AC control for the main AC on the forward part of the coach. We also added a AC for the master because the single AC that was in the main cabin was not keeping the coach cold enough in the 100-degree heat in Texas. So we added this one, and now we can freeze ourselves out of here. This is a manual control with the knobs. I believe it's a 15,000 BTU AC unit. Here's the shower. Skylight, we've got it covered to resist the heat coming in. Works great, no leaks. It's the master, well, the bathroom, only bathroom in the coach. Got a vent fan here, controlled with this switch. Storage down low, storage here, storage here. Medicine cabinet, I should say. You can also open this door. There is a magnet that holds that door too, to give you privacy when you're in the master, sleeping at night, or just need master privacy while you're taking your shower. There is also a divider here that slides open to give the master privacy. All right, stepping down into the living area, the dining area. This table does go down and flatten out, and then there's cushions that go across there, so you can have one adult or two children sleep on that bed, no problem. We've done it. This bed is a sleeper sofa, so it comes out, and it actually comes out to about here, so there's still plenty of room to walk through when someone's in the bed, which is very important. We had a coach before that you could not walk through, which was very frustrating. And this will sleep two adults, no problem. Storage areas up here. Plenty of storage up top for food. Storage down here. Got two drawers, one on each side. In the kitchen area, all these drawers, storage, 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 storage underneath that oven. Storage up here, here, these two, and also behind the TV, more storage. Got a couple storage compartments up here for the audio video. This is a table that pops out to extend the kitchen countertop if you want to. Here is the oven. This slides back like your typical RV oven. I'm sorry, stove. Same with this oven. This is a gas oven. There's your fridge, freezer, microwave. Do have a vent here in the living area. Then we also have, this is the Max Air vent. It's powered. Automatically opens the vent and sets the fan speed in order to keep it at a certain temperature. Push that and it will hold it at 78 degrees. It'll open and close the vent fan according to what the internal temperature is in the coach. Kind of reducing the usage of the air conditioner. So that's it on the inside. Retractable shade there for that window. Retractable shade here, here. Just pull down, let go, they raise up. And stepping outside. This is with the slide open on the bedroom. Got storage compartment here, 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 there, and there. That's a pass-through storage compartment that goes to the other side. Out here we have the, I believe it's a 42-inch TV. The exterior is a little dirty. It's been sitting out. Thanks for that. The exterior is a little dirty. It's been sitting out in the rain a couple times, so I normally keep this thing clean and also keep it inside that shop right there when it's not out here. So it does stay in the garage. It's actually heated and cooled inside there as well. That's your generator access. Storage here, storage there, a long one. That's where we put all our camping chairs. This is your sewer connection area, as you can see in the pictures, and then the pass-through storage. Plenty of storage in this thing.